How to upload gallery video in Snapchat Spotlight. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Snapchat app. Now you want to tap on the Spotlight icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you want to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Then select the option of Upload a video. Now you want to select camera roll, then from here select your preferred video. Now you want to preview the video. Then customize the video with filters and music. Then tap on the send option. Now over here tap on OK. Now here select Spotlight. Now you can add in a description over here if you want. Now you want to tap on this paper plane icon. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.